Hi, this is Wendy from the Yarn Barn, and I'm going to demonstrate a yarn over knit two together. The first, I'll show you how to do it quickly or at just regular speed, and then I'll show you at a slower speed. So oftentimes it's done on a knit row, and you'll do a knit stitch, you'll complete a knit stitch, yarn over, and knit two together. So I'll work a few extra stitches, yarn over, knit two together. A few extra stitches, yarn over, knit two together. And this is a handy technique to know because it can create a very simple buttonhole, and it's oftentimes used in a lace technique. So that is the result, those little holes there. Best usage for this technique. It's mostly going to be done in a lace technique because lace includes lots of yarn overs, but if you don't take away from the yarn over that you create, because the yarn over is creating a stitch, then you end up with the wrong number of stitches, and then on subsequent rows, your pattern won't work out. And so yarn over, knit two together is used to create a stitch and then deduct the stitch that you just created. So here I'm going to show you how to do it slowly. Yarn over. Put your needle through two stitches like a knit stitch, and then just work them together. Yarn over, knit two together. Yarn over, knit two together. And then when you go to purl back, that's the knit two together that you created from the previous row. That's the yarn over, and you just treat it like a regular purl stitch. Yarn over like a purl stitch. That's the knit two together from the previous row, just one regular stitch, the yarn over from the previous row, and treat it like a regular purl stitch. And you create eyelets or a simple buttonhole.